Shalom everyone, we meet again, and today we're gonna make these gorgeous earrings, bridal earrings, and it's sparkling, so pretty. And it is so easy to make it, so simple. So let's make it with me. You can make it at home. Now let's get started. But first, as usual, we need to know what we need. First, I have these crystals. And next, we have these flowers made of plastic, I guess, but it's sparkling. Looks like this. The color change depends on the light. And we need this wire, big wire. And the small wire for wrapping, looks like this. And of course, we need earring hook. And we need rings. The rings look like this. Okay, and that's all what we need. So now let's get started. First, take this small wire and take this flower. Then take the crystal, put it into, oops. And then we fold the wire, look like this, and twisting the flower, so it will be locked, it cannot be moved here and there. See? Looks like this. It will make it stable. Then take the next one. Another crystal. And we do the same thing. Fold it. Make sure the crystal in a good place, good spot, and twisting it. And let's make the rest. We need 5 flowers. With the same process. Now it looks like this. And after that, put this aside. And take the big wire, and we need also the bottom to make the loop. Do like this. And now we have perfect loop. And cut the excess. And then now, take our flowers. We need to attach it in the loop. To attach it, we need another wire, small wire. And do it like this. Twist the wire around the flowers to secure it. Do the same to all the flowers. After we did it, we can fix the position of the flowers. Next, what we need to do is to take the crystal and put it in the axis of the wire. And then take more crystal to fill around here. Next, we need to secure this spot by twisting it like this. After that, we take one flower, one crystal. Then secure it. Next, we need to secure the crystals too. Here. Do it all around here. Already secured, and the back look like this. Next, we need crystal here too. And then we do the same process like the previous one. And cut the excess of the wire because we need to put the ring here. After that, we need to put the earring hook. Ta-da! It's done! Beautiful, isn't it? And now thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch our other videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comments, and likes. Bye bye! See you next time!